Ny voninahitro tsy homeko ny hafa.
March 4th, Great Feast of YAHOSHUAH.
It's a celebration of the name that brings salvation,
YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH.
preached by the ambassador of YAHOSHUAH, YAHVAH. The truly great and also very joyful thing is that YAHOSHUAH will surely come. The one who told you, never sin anymore, never sin anymore. And that is how we know the true YAHOSHUAH. No one else said this except YAHOSHUAH, preached by the ambassador of YAHOSHUAH, YAHVAH. Come all and attend the Great Feast of YAHOSHUAH on the upcoming March 4th, 2025. Location at the headquarters of the Church of YAHOSHUAH at Ambohidrapeto Antananarivo Madagascar. Enter in your house now. We are arrived in the moment in which we can be together for this special program, but we are going to consider it as a teaching. So it's a teaching number 23, but a special program. So of course it's needed that it is considered as a teaching. It is need for people to listen to it throughout the world. So you can follow in French on YouTube, YAHOSHUAH TV Français. You can also listen in English in YAHOSHUAH TV, YAHVAH YAHOSHUAH TV. So that is the English channel. So for Chinese is YAHVAH YAHOSHUAH TV Chinese, and for Malagasy language it's YAHVAH YAHOSHUAH TV Malagasy. So now you can watch and follow the emission with that. So it's a special program that is our emission, and it's considered as a teaching number 23. So it's the ambassador of YAHOSHUAH Eliyahu enters in our house. So I'm going to answer all of your question, which okay, show the number on the screen immediately. So we're going to you can send the question via SMS. We are going to make it as SMS to avoid line cutting. So you from abroad, you can send SMS. So all the SMS will be